In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews to your Shopify store. Customer reviews are one of the fastest ways to build trust, increase conversions, and showcase real experiences with your products. Today, I'll walk you through adding a popular reviews app to your Shopify store and making sure it actually shows up on your theme. Start by opening your Shopify admin and landing on the home dashboard. From there, look for the option to add apps to your store. Click Add to open the app options, and then choose Shopify App Store. This takes you to Shopify's official marketplace, where you can safely browse and install apps that integrate with your store. In the App Store, use the search bar and type Luke's Reviews. Luke's is a well-known reviews app that supports text, photo, and video reviews, which can really boost social proof. When you see the Luke's listing, click into it to open the app's page. Take a moment to confirm details like features and pricing so you know what you're getting. When you're ready, click the button to add the app, then proceed with the installation in Shopify. You'll be asked to approve permissions so the app can connect to your products and storefront. After that, start the free trial so you can test everything without commitment. Luke's will guide you through a quick setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose basic display preferences. If you're unsure about any setting, stick to the defaults for now. You can always return later to fine-tune the look, the email timing for review requests, and how media is displayed. Once the app is installed, make sure it actually appears on your live store. Head back to your Shopify admin and go to your theme area. Open your current themes editor and navigate to Theme Settings. Look for the section often labeled App Embeds or something similar and toggle the Luke's app on. This activates the app in your theme so the review widgets can show on your product pages. Different themes use slightly different wording, but the key is to ensure the Luke's embed is enabled. Save your changes, then preview a product page to confirm that the review stars or widgets are visible. If you don't see them immediately, refresh the preview and check that the toggle is still on. That's it. You've added reviews to your Shopify store using Luke's. Keep an eye on how the widgets look on mobile and desktop, and as you start collecting reviews, return to the app settings to adjust the design and moderation options to match your brand.